Hey everyone, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bingo tag. This was inspired by JenLuvsReviews and EmilyNoel here on YouTube. They did this bingo video a while back and I've always wanted to recreate it, so I didn't know what to film this week, so this is what I decided to do. This is a really fun game to kind of use your single eyeshadows or makeup, and you can try new combinations and see what you come up with. So the basis of this video is that you're going to take your single eyeshadows and create a bingo board and then place your single eyeshadows on there and then play bingo like you normally would by turning your bingo wheel and then, or whatever they call that, and then you get like the chip or whatever and, you know, play bingo. So when you get a bingo, like either a line, diagonal, box, however you want to play it, that will be your eyeshadows to create a look with. Then you can do some creativity and try to work these oddball shadows together, or if they work really well together, then you have a new combination that you've never tried before or something. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm only allowed to use the eyeshadows that I get when I get a bingo. So instead of doing a bingo line, let's say go like all the way down the B row and have to use all those shadows, instead my bingo is going to be 5 eyeshadows and I'm going to have to use all those and no others to help out and create a look. So we can get started and we'll see what we get. Okay, so here is my bingo sheet. You can tell we have lots of different colors and different formulas. And then I have my bingo wheel right here, and then we can get started and start pulling out some bingo numbers. Okay, the first number is B1. I do not have B1. G51. Oh, this is G51. We have the L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in the shade Amber Rush. I love this color. Next we have this I-21. Oh, right here. Perfect. This is the Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie eyeshadow. Love that one as well. Great start so far. G58. We do not have G58. N42. We don't have N42. O62. No O62. On to the next one. G52. No G52. Okay, we still have 2 eyeshadows. We need 3 more. And G54. No G54. Okay, we'll have to spin again. Next one, B13. No B13. Oh, 72. That is this one right here. This is the Supernova Shadow Kathleen Lights X ColourPop in this shade Constellation. This is a gorgeous color, liquid eyeshadow. Okay, we have a pretty rosy neutral palette right now. So we need 2 more. I-23. No, I-23. B15. We have a B15. No, we don't. We've been down that B row so many times. I-28. Right here, we have the eyeshadow by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Metal. It is the silver shade. So that is going to be different for our neutral rosy kind of palette, but we'll make it work. And we need 1 more. O66. No O66. N37. No 37. G60. No G60. G48. Oh, our last one. G48, which is Cakewalk by ColourPop. It is this purple with a blue shift. So here are our eyeshadows. We have Amber Rush by L'Oreal, Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek, Constellation by ColourPop. We have Metal by ABH and Cakewalk by ColourPop. I think we should do 1 more, right? This wasn't that hard. Doesn't seem like this color palette is going to be that difficult for me, so I'm just going to do 1 more or so and see how it turns out. Next we have B12. Okay, we just rocked the boat. So here we go. We have this shade right here. This is ColourPop Hop On eyeshadow, or it's a pressed powder pigment. So there we go. We have some cool tone colors, rose gold, a little bit for a transition shade, and then this bright red one. Okay, that totally mixes things up. Okay, so here is the player board with all the eyeshadows left on it. We could have had some very metallic shades, we could have had some bronzy reds, and then we also missed out on a lot of these mattes right here. But that is okay. We have 2 mattes and we have a liquid shadow, 2 metallics, and a more of a satin flip color. So this is going to be an interesting eyeshadow look. Okay, so we can get into this look right now. We can try and see what we will come up with. First, we're going to take a Makeup Geek Peach Smoothie, and I'm going to put this into my crease using my Morphe E27. And I think I'm just going to add this as a transition shade and also kind of build up the color because we really only have 2 mattes and I really need to utilize them to create a good enough transition. Moving in with my Morphe M433 with the Peach Smoothie again, working more densely in the crease. Next I'm going to go with this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. It is a very loose tapered brush. I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Hop On It pressed powder. I think this is a pigment shadow, so it's going to be probably pretty pigmented because it's a pressed pigment. And I'm just going to go lightly in the crease. I think I want to keep this look kind of pinky, so I don't want to give it too much red color, but look at that color already is building up quite intensely. Now I'm building up this Hop On color a little bit more intensely right in the crease and then just feathering it out. Okay, so now I have this beautiful red color on. I think I'm going to go in with the Supernova Shadow by Kathleen Lights and ColourPop in the shade Constellation. I think I'm going to go with that on my lid, or should I go with the L'Oreal Paris Amber Rush? Because they're pretty similar shades, if you can see. So I think I'll go in with this, and then maybe I'll put this on top. And I don't know if you guys have one of these, but this is like totally like crumbling apart and stuff. I don't know why it's separating so bad. So maybe something like that. Maybe let that dry for a little bit and then I'll go in with the Amber Rush shade. Now I'm going to go in with Amber Rush. This is such a gorgeous shade, and I'm going to go in with my finger and I'm going to pat over top right in the center here. Okay. So it just gives the liquid shadow some more pigment because, at least on my eyes, it doesn't have that dark of a base. It's more like a kind of a topper. So I'm just going to pat that over top. There we have that. This is a very interesting look. Now I'm going to go in with ABH Metal, and I think I'm going to go in with this Urban Decay brush, this really flat side, and kind of go on this inner corner. And I'm going to go in with my finger as well. An interesting, very metallic combination. Now I have one last shade to use, and this is ColourPop Cakewalk, and I think I'm going to use it on my lower lash line because right now I have a very metallic lid, and I think I'll do something like that, or maybe I'll put this on my inner corner. Oh yeah, that kind of looks cool in the inner corner. Maybe a little bit of silver on it as well. Oh yeah, I like that instead. Then I'm going to take Hop On and put this on my lower lash line. Just a little bit, and don't bring it down too much. And go into Peach Smoothie and blend that out. And then a little bit more of Cakewalk in the inner corner. And there is the finished look. This is super cool. Without doing this bingo, I don't think I would ever combine this kind of more rosy and more silver metallics together with a very red crease shade and a purple/blue inner corner. Very neat eyeshadow look. I think without this inner corner shade and maybe like something more of a light metallic pink, I would wear this maybe again, but this purple in the inner corner is a little bit too out there for me, but I think it looks pretty cool nonetheless. Okay, so this is my full face of makeup. This is what it all looks like. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a fun time doing this. It was interesting to pair these eyeshadows together because otherwise I wouldn't have paired a rose gold shade with a very metallic silver shade, or a purple for an inner corner, and with red in the crease. I wouldn't have done that otherwise. So this is pretty fun. I do like the look. I don't think I would wear it every day, but the two-tone metallics are really cool and very bright. So if you want to see Jen and Emily play this game, you can check out the video down below and links to the channels and everything like that. And I really like them. They're awesome people. They have great channels. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.